Channel V8X, where horsepower meets luxury, and legends hit the road. Today we're stepping into the future of full-size luxury SUVs. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLS-Class, finished in a deep, glossy burgundy red that doesn't just turn heads, it commands the entire street. From the very first glance, this machine radiates authority. The front view is bold and unapologetic. That massive grille, razor-sharp LED signature, and sculpted hood give it a presence that says power without shouting. It's not just an SUV, it's a rolling statement of dominance. Slide to the side profile, and the GLS shows off its athletic elegance. Long, flowing body lines stretch across that burgundy paint like liquid metal. Every contour is engineered for motion, even when standing still. This is the kind of silhouette that makes traffic pause and cameras come out. Now the rear angle, pure luxury performance energy. The LED tail lights glow like a signature, while the sculpted stance screams confidence. It looks planted, wide, and ready to launch. This is the SUV equivalent of a tailored power suit. Step inside and the dashboard feels like a private jet cockpit. Digital displays float seamlessly across premium materials. Ambient lighting wraps around you, creating a futuristic lounge vibe. Every button, every surface, crafted to remind you that Mercedes doesn't follow standards, it defines them. Pop the hood, and the engine bay reveals German precision at its finest. Clean, powerful, engineered for smooth yet commanding performance. This isn't just about speed, it's about effortless authority on demand. On the highway, the GLS glides like a luxury missile. The suspension absorbs the road while the cabin stays whisper quiet. You're not just driving, you're cruising in executive comfort while commanding serious performance. And when night falls, the GLS transforms. The night drive look is cinematic, headlights cutting through darkness, reflections dancing across that burgundy finish. It feels like a luxury film scene starring you. Park it in a premium showroom and the GLS becomes rolling art. Under spotlight reflections, the paint glows deep and rich, showing off every curve. This SUV doesn't just sit still, it poses. And let's talk numbers, because luxury like this carries serious weight. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLS-Class is expected to land in the premium full-size SUV bracket, roughly starting around the $95,000 range, climbing with options. And honestly, for this level of presence, technology, and performance, it's not just a purchase, it's an upgrade to your lifestyle. The GLS isn't trying to compete. It's here to dominate the luxury SUV arena with style, confidence, and relentless engineering excellence. Every angle tells the same story: power, prestige, and precision. Channel V8X, where performance lives, luxury rules, and the road belongs to you.